What's up, what's going on guys? Welcome to my channel. So this is an update on the Baby Titan Mark II in regards to the legs. So I have redesigned them so they are all four now identical. In the Mark I they weren't identical, so the front end legs were designed very badly, and when I went to make it walk, after about 10 seconds the front drive shaft snapped in half. So now that I have redesigned all four and made them all identical, I shouldn't have any issues. So here's some close-ups of before and after and how I made them. First I'm going to trace around the leg guides for the Mark I. And this is using 12mm thick plywood. I'm going to trace around the thigh from the Mark I. Followed by the shapes on the inside of the thigh. Now I'm boring out the holes with a hand drill. I don't have a laser cutter or a drill press, so this process takes a very long time. Over to the bandsaw. Like I said before, I don't have a laser cutter. That would cut down the build time significantly. And you can see I am cutting out the thigh pieces. So you can see there I have doubled up on each piece, so it is 12mm times 2, there's 24mm on each side. This is to support both its own weight and also the rider. On the left is before, on the right is after, and I'm going to hit it with a rotary tool later on with a sanding bit in order to get the shapes that I require. Now I'm going to join the pieces with wood glue, and I'm going to clamp them together and leave them to set overnight. Now that the outsides are done, I need to glue the spaces on the inside of the legs. Same process as before, simply glue and clamp, but now I'm going to add wood screws. This helps lock everything in and make sure that nothing splits while it's moving, keeps it nice and tight. These are the Mark I front legs. I'm going to remove the wood screws from the older ones and reuse them. Going to insert a knee and ankle rod to align up the holes. Not worried about the other ones. The other ones are simply for the armor pieces and also to make it slightly lighter. There we go, all four legs are complete and identical. This is what I was aiming for. As you can see in the following video, this is the Mark I. And you can see the front end is pretty horrible. Now on to the Mark II video. As you can see, all four legs are identical. Like I stated earlier, if I had a laser cutter, I would have done all of this within a couple of hours, as opposed to 3 days for the legs and 3 days for the chassis. That's it for this video. If you've learned something today or you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.